Hey there, it's Candis Hidalgo, resident and realtor living right here in the Woodlands Hills, Texas. So right on Halloween, I had started a series called 55 Homes in 55 Days, where each day I was going to be featuring a brand new construction home here in the Woodlands Hills that was move-in ready, because the builders really do offer the best deal on homes at the end of the year. Well, as some of you might know, I am a mama of four also with holidays, and so I might have bitten off just a little bit more than I can chew. But with that said, I am going to keep doing my darndest to do as many homes as I can here in the Woodlands Hills. And I wanted to make today, I'm doing an open house, by the way. It's Saturday. I typically do open houses every Saturday, whether it's for a builder or one of my own listings here, because I just like to be a resource out in the neighborhood for folks who are looking to move here to the Woodlands Hills or just have questions. So you can follow my signs around the neighborhood. They just look like, oops, that. Hopefully you can see that properly. But follow them around the neighborhood pretty much any Saturday. You can also reach out to me if you're not sure if I'm going to be out. I'm usually out every Saturday doing an open house. But if you want to find me and just ask questions and get a resident's perspective, just follow my signs around the neighborhood any Saturday out here in the Woodlands Hills. Today I am doing an open house for one of the builders, and I wanted to talk about these homes because we have, if you're looking for a 4-bedroom home for under $400,000, there are 24 of those available in the Woodlands Hills right now. Of course, they vary in size, but 4-bedroom homes under $400,000, 24 of them available here in the Woodlands Hills. 13 of those are brand new construction, never been lived in, and 6 of those, like the ones I'm behind me here that I'm standing in front of, 6 of those are, I'm gonna move out of the way, there's a UPS truck coming. And 6 of those, how many times am I going to say 6 of those, are the builders are offering an incentive of 4.99% interest and $7,500 plus up to $8,500 in closing costs. So really great incentives on these 4-bedroom homes. There's even a couple of 3-bedrooms that fall under that same incentive as well. But I've already featured 2 of those on my 55 Homes in 55 Days series. So you can kind of scroll back on some of my earlier videos. It's by DRB Homes is the builder that's offering that incentive. But we've got a 4-bedroom, I say we've got, I don't work for the builder. I say we, because I feel like I'm in the Woodlands Hills and I live here, play here, work here. So yeah, so I guess that's why that comes out that way. But there are 4-bedroom homes, 3-bedroom homes for that incentive. There's homes ranging from like 1,700 square feet all the way up to like 2,800 square feet under that price point. So right here in this little section that I'm in right now, I'm going to turn my camera around. Yes, like that. So right across there, that's a little 3-bedroom house, and that's like one of the most affordable homes in the neighborhood. It's like $306,000, the 3-bedroom, 2-bath. But I'm just going to scroll around here. This home here is a 4-bedroom, another 4-bedroom, and right over there is another 4-bedroom. So 3 really beautiful, spacious 4-bedroom. All of these are about 2,700 plus square feet, and all of them are under $400,000. So such a great value, and they have that incentive with the 4.99% interest rate and $7,500 in closing costs covered. So if you have any questions, come on out. You can follow my signs and come ask me today if you have any questions, or just hit me up any Saturday or here on Facebook or Instagram. Let me know. Talk to you guys soon. Have a great weekend.